Hi everyone, completing the English course for beginners, and today's lesson is about continents, continents, and about countries, not countries, countries, continents, countries, and also about languages, and about nationalities, nationalities, not nationalities, no, nationalities, continents, countries, language, nationalities, continents, countries, languages, nationalities, continents, countries, language, nationalities. But there's a main question you have to ask anyone. For example, one of the people is coming to your country and you want to ask him some questions or her. You say, where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? You can say, where do you come from? Where do you come from? Where are you from? Where do you come from? If you ask about the nationality, you can say, what are you? Or what is your nationality? What is your nationality? What is your nationality? Or what are you? What are you? What are you? Or what is your nationality? Or where are you from? Where do you come from? Let's see now this great lesson. So the question is, where are you from? Or where do you come from? You say, I come from, for example, the country, France, and, or I am, and the nationality. So, for example, I ask Zayed, where do you come from? Where do you come from? He will say, for example, I am Emirati, I am Saudi, I am Egyptian. So nationality, I am plus nationality. Okay. And you can say, I come from Egypt, I come from France, I come from Greece, I come from Italy, and so on. So you say, I come from, or you can say, I am. Or you can say, I speak. So can you say for someone a question, where are you from? And he say, I speak French. Yes, you can say that. I speak French means I'm coming from France. So 3 answers for one question you can use. Okay, that's good. But let's speak about the places and nationalities. Before that, I have to do with you here. I have to use with you a big note here. I'm sorry, just coming back to you. A big note. Let's see one of the main points when you speak to someone about nationality or country. It is using the language itself, how to pronounce, how to say the words, the places, and every time. For example, about that, let's see that now. Here in the countries, before the countries, you have to know the larger places, continents. So what are the larger places you use here? We can use a continent called Australia, not Australia, continent, Australia, continent. Also we have Africa, continent, Africa. Also we have Asia, not Asia, no, Asia, continent. Also we have Europe, continent. Also we have North America. Okay, and also we have South America, North America. So we have Australia, Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, South America. Good. What about the nationalities? You have to know this rule. Some nationalities end in ISH. So if you found ISH, it would mean that this is a nationality, okay? Also, some of nationalities end in IAN. Egypt, Egyptian. American, Egyptian. Also, we have AN, only just AN, like American. Okay, people from America, so they are American. So AN, if you found that. Also, we have keys or is what we call ESE at the end. Portuguese, Portugal, Portuguese. Okay. Also we have is, only is, like China, Chinese. So this is most of the endings for nationalities. We will see that now exactly for everyone. Okay, let's see in the lesson itself what we are talking about. We are talking about countries now. So countries, look at me here. We have Czech Republic. Czech Republic. So someone comes from Czech Republic, he is Czech. He is Czech. Good. France. Someone comes from France, he is French. And he speaks French. So this is nationality and language. You have to know that. Good. Someone comes from Germany. Germany. He is what? He's German. He's German. A-N, German. Good. Someone comes from Greece. Greece. He is what? He is Greek. And he speaks Greek. That's right. Most students don't know how to pronounce this word. This word is Hungary, but it is not hungry. Hungry when you are starving, when you need food, but this is Hungary. But when you are asking for food, you are what? You are hungry. A big difference. Okay, someone comes from Hungary. He is what? He is Hungarian. Yes, Hungarian. And he speaks what? He speaks Hungarian. Good. Someone comes from Italy. He is Italian. Someone comes from Poland. He is Polish. He is Polish. SH. He is Polish. Someone comes from Portugal. He is Portuguese. And he speaks Portuguese. Someone comes from Russia. He is Russian. And he speaks Russian. Someone comes from Spain. He is Spanish. And he speaks Spanish. Okay, some students, sorry to say that, but some students pronounce this word wrong. So what is it? Switzerland, not Switzerland. That's wrong. Switzerland. And he is Swiss, and he speaks Swiss or German because they are French, between French and German. That's it. Okay, someone comes from Turkey. He is Turkish, ISH, Turkish, and he speaks Turkish. That's good. Someone comes from India. He is Indian, and he speaks Hindi or Indian, both. Okay, someone comes from China. He is Chinese. And he speaks Chinese. Someone comes from Japan. He is Japanese. And he speaks Japanese. Someone comes from South Korea. He is what? He's Korean, and he speaks Korean. What I want to tell you now is some Arabic words and Arabic countries we pronounce wrong. So look at this country now. For example, this country is what? This is, some students say Jordan. That's wrong. If you pronounce this way, it's wrong. Jordan. When you found the an at the end, it's n. So the pronounce is Jordan, not Jordan. That's wrong. Jordan. Without saying an or an. That's wrong. So if I say someone comes from Jordan, what can I say? Jordanian. Yes. Here I can say an. Jordanian. But his country is Jordan. That's correct. I hope you understand all of these places. Saudi Arabian. For someone comes from, he is Saudi Arabian or Saudi. Egypt, someone comes from Egypt, he is Egyptian, and he speaks Arabic. Okay, someone comes from Australia, he's what? Australian, and he speaks English. That's correct. Thank you. When you see all of these words, we have here Brazil, we have Argentina, we have Mexico, we have the United States, we have Canada, and someone comes from Canada, Canadian, Thailand, Thai, and he speaks Thai, and he is Thai, means he comes from Thailand. Hope you understand all the countries and continents of today. See you soon in a practice. Thank you. Bye-bye.